These are the Jannus elevators. Tampa International Airport in Tampa, Florida. These are in the long-term parking garage. Elevators number 9 through 12. Let's go to 1. Alright, now let's go to 8. Also, as you can see, this is like the rest of the garage out there is under construction. So the Lindbergh and the Wright Brothers elevators do not serve floor 1 as of now. You can see they're working on the other 2. Anyway, these doors really want to shut on me, so we're going to go up to 8. These are originally Westinghouse, but they're being modded by Schindler. There's your directory, and here's a bit of a view out. Again, as you can see, they're working on the elevators. Alright, let's go down to 1, and we're going to switch cars. As you saw in the beginning of the video, someone is working on the outside of the elevators, replacing the lanterns, and also replacing lights. These were originally installed in 1971, and 50 years later, in 2021, they're being modded by Schindler. 6400NA. Actually, you know what? We're gonna send that one up, and we're gonna ride one of the other 2, or not this one right here. We just rode elevator number TJ12. We're gonna ride 11 now, and take a look at that. They're working on the elevator, and they got different lanterns for these 2. And here it is. We're gonna go up to 8. Here we are at the top. Again, you can see they're working on the elevator. Let's go down the 1. Here's your cab view. Here's your inspection certificate. Down here, I mean, that was your directory. Inspection certificate, that's your directory. And we're gonna, now focus, we're gonna end it up at 2. Again, you can see the shaft light on. Let's watch the button go out.
Floor 2.
And that's it.